They say you don't have much time left. You've lived a long life. You've accomplished so much. We all knew it would happen eventually. You don't need to fight it.
It's time.
I've already made arrangements for us to start a video campaign.
Newspapers and journalism on life support. This video illustrates some of the recent thinking about the industry, as more than 14,000 journalism jobs were lost in the last 10 years. What does that mean for a country where journalism is so important that it's often referred to as the fourth estate? I'm a journalist, not a teacher, but in this project-based learning assignment that's suitable for high school juniors and seniors, college freshmen, and community news advocates, I'm asking students to examine one driving question. And that driving question is, how has the loss of thousands of journalism jobs in the past 10 years affected local news coverage in our communities? For this research project, which is called a journalism research project, it's designed to address two of the learning strategies from the textbook Classroom Instruction That Works. Those two strategies are cooperative learning and summarizing and note-taking. Students will get real-life experiences of what it's like to be a journalist, because cooperation and collaboration is imperative in delivering a news product. It doesn't matter if you're an editor or reporter, photographer, whatever your role is in the news organization, you will need to work with other people to deliver. Summarizing and note-taking are important because that is at the core of what journalists do. Research, collect information, analyze that information, synthesize it, and then present it to their audience in a way that's understandable. The tools that I will be requiring students to use, or the Web 2.0 tools, are, and I'm asking them to use 3 of them. Those tools are PBWorks Wiki, and they will use that for collecting and organizing their research and for writing a final report or collaborating on a final written report. The next tool that I'm asking them to use is Prezi. And I want them to use Prezi because I think it's important that they not only present this information to an instructor or to me as their instructor, but I think that the wider community could benefit from it. So I will ask the students to make a public presentation to a group of community leaders. The final Web 2.0 tool that they will be using is a blog. And throughout this project, I will be asking students to write about what they're learning, how the project is going, and then at the end reflect on their experiences and what they've learned from this project in their blog. As the students progress through the project, they will practice and develop 5 21st century skills. And those skills are critical thinking, communication, collaboration, productivity, and civic literacy. And to assess the students' performance and to provide them with a guide as they proceed through the project, I've created a rubric. And in this rubric, I will assess the students on 7 key categories. And they are research and note-taking, content, graphics and sound or animation, and that's specific to the Prezi presentation, their writing skills, whether or not they met all the requirements, how they cited their work, and the contributions that they made to the overall group project. I will also seek input on the students' performance from local community leaders once they've done their presentation. This is my project-based learning video launch for my class, EDU 653. Thanks for watching. My name is Sharon Wilmore.